In this video, you will learn how to start a video at a particular place. And here, we will start the video at 10th second on a click of a button. Here you can see the HTML source code of the page. You can just see video tag in the HTML. Now let us add the script. We are going to use a button element, so on click of the button, we can start the video at the 10th second. Now the script part. Let us start with script section. In the script section, we are going to write a JS function. We will have a variable for video. And then with the video variable, we set current time to seconds, which is 10 now. Then we are going to use play function of video object to play the video. So essentially the function positions the video at the 10-second mark and then plays it. Let's navigate to the page, refresh it, and then click on the button. You will observe the video playing from the 10-second mark. To provide a better viewing experience, we will make the controls visible and play the video, allowing you to clearly see it starting from the 10-second mark. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment. Your likes and comments can encourage me to create more informative videos like this.